Hi, I recently bought a backrest for my 1200 GSA and I installed it and I didn't like it, so I made some modifications. So here's the backrest, and here's the old mounting plate. This old mounting plate would mount in the same place here, and it actually pushed the seat forward about 1.5 inches. And so when you put the top box on, it's sitting a huge distance from the top box. And so I made a new mount down here, which slides it back about 1.5 inches. And then I said, well, I don't want it to just sit there. I don't want to bolt permanently. What if I want to take it off? And so I made a quick release for it. I'll just slide that here. I use two hands. So you can see this is notched. So when it slides in, it fits in there like a door latch. See, that's a 1/4 inch rod. I threaded a little Allen head bolt in there. And there's a door latch right there. Behind that is spring loaded. And then on the end, up here, I put a bolt in to hold it all in place. So you can see when I slide it in, it goes in the same place as before. It locks in place. Nice tight spring. So when I put the top case on, there's a gap of about 2 fingers in there now between the pad that I don't need anymore. But the old one, the old plate, pushed this thing 1.5 inches further forward. So 4 fingers versus 2 fingers. So now my wife rides with me. She can lean back a lot easier. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.